हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम टू अ ब्रांड न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ सबअब। मेरा नाम है मोहसिन खान और अब तक तो आप समझ ही गए होंगे कि सबअब क्या है। सबअब इज मुंबई का लोकल फूड शो। एंड हे गाइस, मेरा आपसे एक सवाल है। When was the last time you had an authentic Italian pizza? यार मैं वो 30 मिनट वाले पिज़्ज़ा की तो बात ही नहीं कर रहा। I'm talking about the most authentic Italiano pizza. हाँ? एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहते हो? कोई बात नहीं, उसके लिए आपको रिमोट कंट्रोल साइड में रखना होगा और हमारे साथ बने रहना होगा ओनली ऑन योर फेवरेट फूड शो सबअब मम्मा मिया। To experience the most authentic Italian pizza, I'm heading towards Pizza Express. अगर आप मलाड साइड से आ रहे हैं तो आप इन्फिनिटी मॉल अंधेरी को क्रॉस करेंगे। उसके बाद आप सिटी मॉल और तनिष्क शोरूम को क्रॉस करेंगे। वीरा देसाई के सिग्नल से आपको लेफ्ट लेना है प्राइम मिनिस्टर रोड के लिए और कुछ ही देर में आप पिज़्ज़ा एक्सप्रेस रेस्टोरेंट पहुंच जाएंगे। वो valet parking, a very important suburb factor.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Pizza Express.
A warm welcome as expected. Hey guys, welcome to Pizza Express. The place is very classy and extremely attractive of sight. The black and white interiors grab the attention as well. Great ambience, good place to chill out with friends and family. The design is warm and inviting with a stylish finish. Black and white movies are played on the brick wall to bring in a heritage feeling. रेस्टोरेंट का लुक एंड फील और एम्बियंस तो बहुत ही ज्यादा क्लासी है, बट द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट पिज़्ज़ा एक्सप्रेस इज इन्होंने रेस्ट रूम को भी इग्नोर नहीं किया है, जो कि बहुत सारी बड़ी बड़ी रेस्टोरेंट्स कभी कभार कर देती है। दिस इज वन सबअब फैक्टर आई मस्ट से।
We are Maestros from Pizza Express. You're watching Sabab.
So guys, I'm in conversation with Ajay, who's going to share his Pizza Express experience with us. Thank you so much, Ajay, for being part of Sabab.
Yeah, thank you.
So Ajay, is this the very first time you've been here?
Yes, this is the first time. It's quick for me because my office is just upstairs.
Okay.
Nice pizza, I think. I like pizza thin crust, which gives the Italian taste. Service is good, yes. Ambience is good. Yeah, I mean, it's very convenient for me because my office is upstairs and it's nice pizza, so I can bring my business people or my customers over here.
I stay in London. I'm a British visitor. No difference at all. More or less the same pizza and the food is almost the same. There's not much difference at all.
Always loved Pizza Express. We've always had a wonderful dining experience here. And best of all, both of us think it's one of the best pizzas in Bombay.
Definitely.
Yeah, definitely.
I think Pizza Express is really international. I really like it. It's far better than the pizzas that are available in the market. More tastier, and I think the sauce that they use is more international. It's quite tasteful, and I like the service. Yeah,
And how long you've been coming to Pizza Express?
I come here once a week for sure. I think margarita is the best. I mean, I'm a vegetarian, so I like margarita. I don't know, but the non-vegetarians say the Americano is really good. So I don't know, but the garlic bread with mozzarella is to die for.
Alright, so thumbs up for
Pizza Express.
So guys, I'm here at Pizza Express, which is there off Veera Desai Road, and I'm in conversation with Uday. He's the head chef over here. Tell us more about Pizza Express.
It's been started in 1965 and that's from Mr. Peter Boyzot.
Okay.
So basic fact, he was just pizza lover.
Pizza Express started in 1960.
65, yeah, that's what.
Guys, you've heard it. Since 1965, Pizza Express is delivering. In fact, it's serving yummy pizzas.
Yeah, fantastic and really yummy one.
Really yummy one, and I need to try these. And आपको मैं sample करके बताऊंगा कुछ ही देर में. How do I address? I call you the head chef here.
No, we don't call as a head chef. It's in Italy, they used to call as a pizzalio. Pizzalio refers those who specialize in making pizza, and that's what we call. We never call as a chefs, we call as a pizzalio.
Okay, so I'm here with Pizzalio Uday.
Hi, we are Pizzalios from Pizza Express. You are watching Sabab.
Unlike the regular chefs, I see the Pizzalios over here. Very cool and very stylish with a cap, and I normally, if you see a chef at a regular restaurant, वही आपको एक ऐसी बोरिंग सी कैप होती है, तो वाइट कलर के कपड़े और
No,
ये आप लोग एकदम कूल डूड लग रहे हो.
it's a culture, I must say. So because we are not like a boring people where you can say standing and making food. We just love enjoy to making food for our customers. So this looks and the inner, the passion for cooking, which is more interaction. When it says stripes, it's all the chefs in Italy, especially the pizza, they used to have wearing this stripe.
So जो styling है वो भी इटली से inspired है.
Yeah, it's Italy inspired. We are not like those box chefs. We are free. We do what we want. Making pizza, making fun with the customer, talking, chatting. So there is a lot going on. So we are not a boring people. We are fun-loving people.
Okay, so the head chefs are called Pizzalios.
Yeah, I mean every chef we call as a pizzalio. So
Okay, and the one who is serving, we call them also Pizzalios?
no, the serving we call as a maestro.
We are Maestro from Pizza Express. You are watching Sabab.
Alright, so the one who's making the dishes for you are called the
Pizzalios.
Pizzalios, and the one who is serving the dish, they
We
are
call
called,
them maestro.
and all inspirations coming from.
Italian.
Tell us more about what kind of training one must have to go through to become a Pizzalio.
We go through what is exactly pizza. And the most important thing we talk about our dough, which has been really hard for us because most of them say pizza is made out of dough. So we train them very particular on the dough section where they must learn what are the qualities of dough should have, what are the best things they should.
So
get
this training, you get it in Mumbai, or are there any specific courses you go on?
First thing, like for me particularly and few of my other colleagues, those who have been, so there's a batch of people went to the UK and they got trained from their chef, Pizzalios. So it's not only about related to food, it's about more of the food safety as well. So generally we are getting so many customers, so they.
So I heard about food safety. What is food safety exactly?
Okay, food safety generally means to keeping the good hygiene standard in kitchen, keep food under control, have some nice qualities done by they cook every day fresh in style. So once you're done, just throw them out. That's what we call fresh deli. So every food is made fresh. Once you're done, throw it out and make another fresh for tomorrow. So it's been like circulation. That's what we do it every day.
Great. So you've heard it, and I'll repeat it again. The Pizzalios here, they undergo a training.
Yes.
And especially from UK, they've learned it, and they want to deliver that authentic Italian delicacies and cuisines. Just for you, the hygiene standards are very high. Is it only here we have an open kitchen कि आपकी जितनी भी restaurants हैं वहाँ पे आपको open kitchen मिलेगा? Not only in Mumbai के worldwide की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं.
नहीं, पूरे वर्ल्ड में 500 रेस्टोरेंट होने वाले हैं. So every restaurant we had open kitchen. So not only in Mumbai but all the globe where we are existing is all open kitchen where people can see what's going on. So
A lot of celebs, they vouch for Pizza Express.
they love pizza eating here.